Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here it is. It originally started with bicycles, and it was I think it's a British company that started with bicycles. Let's get this box going here, and we can see what's inside. Hey you guys, what's up? How's it going? I hope all is well. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you my latest motorcycle gadget purchase. When I first saw it, I was super excited about it and I really wanted to get it, but I wasn't sure if it was legit. I didn't know how good it was gonna be. And then over time, I forgot about it. But then recently I was reminded of it. And so I did a good old fashioned Google search, found it online. It seemed pretty legit. So I finally stepped up to the plate and pulled the trigger. And this thing just got here a few days ago. Let me bring you over to the workbench and we'll check it out, and yeah, I'm super excited. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the product that I'm super excited about. And here it is, the Beeline Moto. This is a GPS specific for motorcycles, which I think is super cool and I'm super excited about because basically I've always struggled with GPSs on my motorcycles. And it's just so slim and sleek and just really nicely designed. And now that I've got one in person, I'm gonna find out firsthand. Wow, look at that. That's exactly what I was hoping it was gonna be. So let's see what else we got here. From my understanding, this is a elastic-based mount that goes around your handlebars. Yeah, so this is a mount. This is a mount. Yeah, okay, so this is the charger. So you got these 4 elastics, 2 big and 2 small. I will say I'm gonna want, whoa. I will say that I'm gonna want a more permanent mounting situation here, but this is at least good to get me started. What else we have in here? Allen wrench, adhesive sticky pad thing, and thank you note with a picture of people, which I'm assuming is the development. Is that the development? Not sure if that's the development team or not, but that's cool. So I'm assuming this is instructions. Yeah, quick start guide. That's all that was in there. But let's get this out of this cardboard. So this is it. Isn't that pretty cool? It's really light, man. It almost feels too light. All right, let's see. There we go. Cool. So you just twist. Yep. That's pretty cool. I am super excited. So this does run off an app. So I believe it's compatible for iPhones and Androids and your basic smartphones. But what's cool is that apparently this does not use data. So the app, I believe, downloads all of the map data onto the phone, I think, through the app. And yeah. So you got your GPS, you got mount option 1, which uses elastics to wrap around these little tabs sticking on the sides. You got mount option number 2, which is adhesive, which uses this guy. And you got your charger. Let's see what this says. Hi, thanks for making Beeline Moto a reality. With support from people like you, small companies like us are able to exist and grow. We really appreciate your support and hope that you love your Beeline Moto. If you do love it, please help us spread the word by writing a review on Google, Amazon, or Facebook. If you don't love your Beeline Moto, just get in touch with us at support@beeline.co so that we can convince you that you're wrong. No, it doesn't really say that, it says, and we will get you sorted as quickly as possible. Cheers, Tom, Mark, and the Beeline team. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Like I said, I found these guys a while ago, but was unconvinced. I think I found it when they're still getting funding or something. I just can't remember the details. So one of the things I love about this device in terms of what I've read and heard and seen is that it's very simple, and that counts for a lot when you're on a bike because distractions can be dangerous. I'm hoping that it lives up to my expectations. Now it's just a case of getting it charged up, configured, programmed, and installed on the FZ. Probably have a short series of videos kind of cataloging my experience with this from opening it to getting it up and going to actually using it and testing it on rides. So yeah. That's that, you guys. I'm excited to see what this thing can do. Are you still recording? Oopsies. All right, you guys, there you go. My new Beeline Moto motorcycle specific GPS. I've had many GPS units over the years for my various different bikes, and I've pretty much run into every possible issue that you can imagine. And most of those issues come down to the GPS being too big and bulky, screen glare, power issues, battery issues, cabling issues, mounting issues. Simplicity is the name of the game when it comes to motorcycle GPS. You don't want or need extra distractions while riding a motorcycle. You need your GPS to help help you, not hinder you. My past GPS setups have been a hindrance, not always a help. So my hopes are high that this Beeline Moto device is going to be a help and not a hindrance. And I'll probably do a video about getting it configured and powered up and then installed on the bike, and then ultimately how it works on a real actual ride. So stay tuned for those videos. But in the meantime, my legs are itching because I think I'm getting bit because mosquitoes and other bugs are starting to come out. In the meantime though, I will keep you guys in the loop. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you on the next one.